Hello everybody, my name is Marcus and in this video you will learn how you can stabilize your video so it's not shaky, and let's go. First, I got these 3 clips here. As you can see, it's really shaky and it's not that great. Then we got some basketball match, and for example this one was recorded with mobile. And then we got a kid running on the stairs in a playground. And we are going to work with all of these videos, so let's go. All you have to do is download davinci. If you have davinci, great, it's free program, so definitely go for it. And let's go to coloring. When we have the media here. And it's pretty easy. In a coloring, all we have to do is just click on your media you want to edit. Let's start with a bar. And let's go to the tracker. And let's change the window to stabilizer. And also guys, don't stabilize your 10-minute video. If your shaky video it's about 30 seconds of the 10-minute video, stabilize only those 30 seconds. We got it moving and it's a little bit shaky. Now we are going to stabilize. And you see, it's stabilized. It always takes the center and it's tries to stabilize around that center. Sometimes it's really tricky when you got when someone is flying, for example, or skiing, or even and the camera is moving through various ways. If you're gonna stabilize this kind of video, you will have a problem there, but I will show you soon. We got it. What you need to be careful about is cropping ratio and smooth. These are the 2 things you are going to edit. Cropping ratio means how much zoom it will have. So if we go to 1, it's the minimal, and 0.25 it's maximal. You need to play around it, which you like the most. And smooth, how smooth it's going to be, I will show you. Okay, stabilize. Wait a second, stabilize. Okay, and see, it's pretty great. And now let's go to 0.25. We need to stabilize again. Yeah, on 0 it was much more stabilized. The next clip I want to show you, and what you can do, is camera lock. As was I mentioning in the beginning, this was recorded with a mobile, and you can see the woman or the man was holding it like this. If we're gonna go for camera lock and stabilize, look how beautiful it will be. This is just crazy. I mean, everyone, when I was working in Sony Vegas, with Sony Vegas, and I was editing videos there, and I had a problem about how to edit it because it was all shaky. It was so damn hard to repair the footage. But if you're a vlogger, if you are making outdoor videos, this is just amazing. And the third one, and this is really important for vloggers, for outdoor movie makers, etc. We see the kid running on the stairs now. And we see we are going with the camera here, then here. Okay? So if we're going to stabilize right now, most of the people when they are stabilizing, they will leave the options like they are. So if we're gonna stabilize, and let's see. Okay, it's much better, but you see the lagging. What many people are doing, that they will put different kind of footage there. They will stabilize 25 seconds, and then when there is this kind of lag in a video, they will put different footage or they will just cut it out. It's also, you can do that. Another style of stabilization is just using the old one, and that's classic stabilizer. You can use the cloud tracker or point tracker, and point tracker is pretty different now. So add a tracking point, and let's go to the OpenFX overlay, and you can put a tracker like what the stabilizer should see and analyze. So if you're gonna focus on here, it's going to stabilize about that point. Also, you can put another. So let's go, for example, here. And yep. And you put stabilization, it will stabilize around there, around these points. So this is pretty important if you are having footage of animals, for example, and you wanna create these points that it should track the movement and stabilize around those animals. It's pretty good. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it, and this is like the easy method how you can stabilize your videos. I don't know that if in Premiere or even Sony Vegas got it this great, because this is just amazing. If you enjoyed this video, definitely leave a comment down below that if it helps you on your video journey. And also, I'll be pretty happy if you subscribed and supported me, because I really enjoy making tutorials, videos, and how to edit better videos or even making graphics. Thank you very much all, and goodbye.